Alright, good afternoon YouTube. This is a happy hour moto vlog. It's a little bit of a different happy hour moto vlog. I don't really have any place in mind to go eat because I'm actually running errands. This is a happy errand hour vlog. Running errands for my wife. She gets home later than I do. I work from home, so it's really easy for me to run quick after work errands, and it's even better when I can do it on two wheels. So what errands am I running and why am I so happy about it? Well, I am mailing off some Christmas packages and I am returning some textbooks for my wife. Shout out to my wife, going back to school to pursue her nursing degree. So I'm super proud of that. Going back to work, going back to school to continue her work in pursuing a nursing degree. I hope that makes sense. So I am able to do this on my motorcycle, run these errands, deliver these packages, because I got something new that's allowing me to run these errands. You might have seen it in a couple previous videos. I think I've had these I might as well get it out. These new Thrashin escape bags on my bike for a couple of weeks now, but for the sake of content and for not making my videos an hour long, I sort of separated some of the new things that I've added to my bike. So yes, I put Thrashin escape bags on my Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. I used to have the Essentials. I no longer have those. I'll tell you more about that towards the end of the video. But I have these escape bags, and they're awesome. So just a little bit about them. They are made by Thrashin Supply Company, another great California company, American made. And they are the larger of the bags that Thrashin offers. Some of the key differences, other than the size, which by the numbers doesn't look to be that much different, but I can tell you the actual physical size and the shape and the amount of stuff you can fit in is substantial. But I think one of the key differences for me is that the escapes come with rain socks basically for each bags. And because you got a lot of space in there, it makes it really easy to just tuck that away in one of the little peripheral pockets on it, and you don't have to worry about it. So when we get up here to UPS, I'll stop, I'll pull over, and we'll take a look at what's in the bag. All right, catch you in a minute. Ooh, Maserati. Nice. I'm guessing it's like an older one, but still a Maserati. Hopefully they let me in without a mask, but just wearing my helmet. Otherwise I gotta run back out here. But let's take a look at what we got. Look at me, I'm just going in the wrong way, but you can do that on a motorcycle. It's okay. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. All right. Let's look at these Thrashin escape bags and see what we're doing here, what we got here. There they are. That's the size. You got an external pocket right here for goodies. Let's see here. On their website, they show beer cans, much cooler than what I have in here. I have some Christmas gifts. Oh, this is my Burley brand bag that's going to Easy Rider Greg. We're going to have to take that in a minute. So a couple Christmas presents here, Christmas sweaters for some family members. Awesome. And what else? I could probably stuff more in there too if I compressed it really well and folded it better. And my wife's textbooks in a box here ready to go, and some tape. All right, let's go in and turn these books in. All right, so I dropped off the books. Zip these bags back up. Let's get another look in there. So this is where I keep the raincoat for the bags, is up here. right there. You can see there's a raincoat that fits over there. There's some extra straps if I need to tether some stuff to the outside. Those came with it too. They're throw-over bags, so they just go right over the rear fender. I just replaced, like I said, my essentials, and I didn't see any sort of streaking or anything going on with the paint. The brackets mount in between the fender strut and the fender, so you'll get a little gap in there. It's no big deal. I've tried to mitigate that in some ways, but I couldn't find a really good way. If you know a way, drop it in the comments section. But that's where the brackets go. It's the same brackets for the essentials and the escapes. They mount right up there, and then they use Velcro underneath, and you pull it through and you pull it tight so it has tension on the bottom. They are semi-rigid bags. They're not completely soft. I think like the edges are hard, like that facing edge. But like the top part is soft. And what I mean by soft is it's, I don't know what the material is, but the textile material is soft. I can't really tell you what it is. And then it's got rigid sides on it, rigid sidewalls. So why did I go from essentials to escapes? Well, I always ended up, let me go back farther, is I got the essentials because I felt like I wasn't going to need that much space. I don't really do long travel. I don't do a whole lot of anything that would require big bags on my bike. So I felt like the essentials were, well, essential. They were good. Fit everything I needed, all the essentials. But as I started motovlogging and doing more things on my bike and just wanting to be out on my bike more than ride around in my Jeep, I quickly realized that I needed bigger bags. So this is great. I can throw a warming layer in there for when I'm out in the morning, and then I can take it off. Let's see here. We're gonna have to jump around these guys, aren't we? Let's see, where's this guy going? Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do one of these numbers. All right. So let's go ahead and filter on through here. So as I was saying, I just needed more space. And when the Thrashin supply sale came out for Black Friday, I couldn't pass up getting some new bags. So I upped to the new bags, and now I'm running errands on my bike and running errands with a smile on my face. We're on our way over to the U.S. Post Office now, because that's where I'm going to send out my Christmas packages, because those flat rate boxes can't beat that shipping price. But let's talk about where my essential bags are going. So I talked about in my last video and previous videos too that I like to give back to my viewers who take time out of their day to watch my videos and like, comment, and subscribe when they can. I appreciate that, and I like to pay it forward by offering some of the items that I no longer need to them, and to clear out the clutter in my garage. Unfortunately, I'm going to break with that tradition this time, and look at this Mini just pulling out right in front of me. Hi. I'm going to break with tradition there, and I actually have already sent out my essentials bags to BK Low. Doggo! So, yep, FXDLS Brooklyn, sort of a small channel, I guess you might say. That's sarcasm. No, I follow him, and I heard him mention that he wanted some essential bags. So I decided to help him out. I was getting rid of mine. I just put in the order for these when I saw that video. And so I said, hey, I hit him up on Instagram. I said, hey, you want a set? He was really super nice and, you know, offered to help me out and help my channel out. And I greatly appreciate it, but it honestly just comes from me wanting to give back to the motovlog community and other viewers of motovlog channels. So BK Low, thanks for taking me up on my offer, and I hope you enjoy those bags. Okay, errands are officially done. Dunskies, Dunskaroonie, we're all set. Let's get back on the bike, and we're actually gonna go over here to Kennedy's and I'm gonna get a burrito. I'm kind of hungry for a burrito. Yeah, I'm good. You too. Alrighty. So Easy Rider Greg, your bar bag is in the mail, although I hope this video is out before you I hope you receive it before this video comes out. I don't think this video is going to make it out for another couple of weeks. So, I know that was a pretty short review to these bags, but there's really not much to them. They're textile bags, semi-rigid, and they fit a lot of stuff in it. So I guess I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys want me to like test fit some things in here, if you guys want me to try to, there's something you want to see if it fits in here, let me know. If it's beer, I mean, that's on the Thrashin website. But I'll do some other. I think I could get some interesting requests for will it fit in the bags, and I'll do that as a segment as a later video. If you got anything you want to see, drop it down in the comments section. Let's go in here and get a burrito. This is like a carniceria. I got good stuff here. How's it going? Good, good. Can I get a California burrito? With guacamole? No crema?
It doesn't come with crema, but it comes with fries, shredded cheese, the jalapeno queso, and pico.
Perfect.
Let me just put them on.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, well, it's going to be a while to get this burrito going, and we're running out of daylight. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Please, I hope I earned your subscription. And leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop a comment down in the comment section if you want to see what else I can fit in these Thrashin Essential bags. This is my Harley-Davidson Low Rider S 2020 model. Thank you for watching. Cheers.